Hello everyone! Welcome to AutoCourse, your go-to channel for everything cars. If you're a first-time buyer looking for an affordable, reliable, and stylish car in 2025, you're in the right place. Today we're counting down the top 5 affordable cars perfect for new drivers or anyone shopping on a budget. Let's dive right in. Coming in at number 5 is the Toyota Corolla. Known for its legendary reliability and low maintenance costs, the Corolla is a favorite worldwide. In 2025, Toyota is offering a sleek redesign and a hybrid option for eco-conscious buyers. With advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, the Corolla ensures peace of mind for first-time drivers. Starting at just $22,000, it's a solid choice for anyone on a budget. At number 4, we have the Honda Civic. This compact car has a reputation for performance, reliability, and style. And guess what? The 2025 model doesn't disappoint. Equipped with a turbocharged engine and great fuel efficiency, the Civic is fun to drive while keeping running costs low. It also comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard, making it perfect for tech-savvy first-time buyers. Taking the third spot is the Hyundai Elantra. This car packs a punch with its bold design and impressive features. The 2025 Elantra offers a roomy cabin, a long warranty, and an optional hybrid model. Plus, with a starting price of around $21,500, it's one of the best value sedans out there. Coming in at number 2 is the Kia Forte. Kia has stepped up its game in recent years, and the Forte is proof of that. With a stylish design, excellent fuel economy, and a feature-packed interior, the Forte stands out in the budget-friendly category. And don't forget Kia's unbeatable 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty, making it a worry-free choice. And finally, taking the top spot is the Nissan Sentra. This car checks all the boxes for first-time buyers. The 2025 Sentra offers an upscale interior, advanced safety features, and a smooth ride, all at a starting price of just $20,500. It's the perfect combination of affordability, style, and reliability. So there you have it, our top 5 picks for affordable cars for first-time buyers in 2025. Whether you're looking for style, reliability, or tech features, these cars have something for everyone. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching AutoCourse and happy car shopping.